Hi and welcome to this quick demo on FortiPAM integration with Siemens TIA Portal. This integration is simple and easy to use. This integration allows users to securely connect to the FortiPAM Privileged Access Management solution from Fortinet to manage HMI and PLC systems on a Siemens TIA Portal through WebRDP or remote desktop. With WebRDP or remote desktop access to the Siemens TIA Portal through FortiPAM, administrators and contractors can log in securely, create and configure PLC workflows, perform PLC programming, configure hardware, run PLC simulation, set up network configuration, and monitor and diagnose PLC systems. Please note that all contractors must access the TIA portal through FortiPAM when making any configuration changes. So to access the Siemens PLC, we have to connect to the FortiPAM first, and let's log in with our FortiPAM with our credentials. Now let's navigate to the secret section from the FortiPAM, and we already have a pre-configured secret here that connects to our engineering stations via WebRDP. So let's launch the secret. And once logged into the Windows server, you'll see the different applications on the left side. And we have a TIA portal on the bottom here that we'll be using to access the PLCs. So from here, let's open an existing project, which is downloaded from a PLC. To execute this, select and click download, and it will open the project for you. And this may take a while because PLC applications is a heavy application. So once the app is ready, you can open the project view, and we are inside the Siemens TIA application. Just for demo purposes, we will just open one of the PLC devices on the list. In this case, we are using the PLC main, and we can see the device's configuration and make sure that we enable the PLC to be online so we can access the configuration and diagnostics as well as the program block, the PLC tags, and more. Consequently, we offer additional Fortinet security solution that secures access through FortiToken Cloud via SAML integration, support for passwordless authentication, adaptive authentication, and secure validation. In addition, FortiPAM integration with FortiClient EMS enables CTA tagging capabilities. Moreover, FortiPAM can also extend support to prevent malware spread with built-in DLP and antivirus protection powered by FortiGuard Labs. Most importantly, FortiPAM offers audit and compliance requirements by enforcing policy-based privileged access control, recording sessions, maintaining detailed audit trails, and enabling retrospective analysis for regulatory compliance. I hope you liked the quick, short demo of the FortiPAM with Siemens PLC TIA Portal integration. Till next time, and thanks for watching.